steelhead. We're about to release this gorgeous, gorgeous buck here. Fire. What a beautiful fish. Pounds. Irideus 6'7" Zen reel. Just an amazing fish. Getting ready to go home here. Thank you. What a beauty. What a beauty. Lucky are we that have resources like California. Thank Fish and Game and all the wonderful people that do all the work on this river. They keep these beautiful salmon reds what they are and keep the healthy population of wild steelhead what it is. Thank you so much for all you do, Fish and Game, and all the researchers and biologists. Without you guys, we wouldn't have this resource, and that was another magic moment right there. Take care of the water and catch and release steelhead and trout and salmon. Take care of your water.